All right, my friends, so we're starting with our upper back, low neck. You lay on the foam roller with the foam roller going down the mid part of your back, and then you're going to go into goalpost arms, and you can adjust kind of where your elbows are at, up or down with your arms, just based on any sort of tightness you feel in your back and where it feels good. Let it rest here before you go up into your swimmer's arms. I know you don't swim like that, but it was just the first thing that came to mind when I was doing this, so I was like, sure, swimming. And just make sure you're kind of relaxing through this, letting your body and back kind of relax into those goalposts. All right, next we're going to get into your glutes, and so crisscross applesauce one of your feet over, flex that foot, and just kind of roll back and forth on your glute. Once again, pausing anywhere that you're feeling really tight, or just embracing it like I am with my facial expressions. All right, now we're getting into our quad and our hip flexors. So you're gonna roll all the way down and up your quad, and then once you get to the very top, try to get as high as you can and open up your hip, and then just kind of shimmy back and forth up and down that quad to get that hip flexor before rotating your hip back down and rolling back down your quad. Make sure you're keeping your core nice and tight. This is kind of like a plank position. We don't wanna have our back arcing and putting pressure on our low back in this position. So you're definitely pushing your elbows into the ground to engage your upper back and engaging your core. So this is a little bit of a core workout as well as a quad and hip flexor relaxing stretch. It's so relaxing. You'll feel it. It's good. It's enjoyable. Just keep going.